Model, 1993 Volkswagen Transporter T4 high-top camper conversion MOT failure needs welding. Body, red, camper. Mileage, 114331. Engine, 1896 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Error codes for MAF sensor. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear camping area is very nice smile. Features, this van has a Mark III Golf engine, and it has done 114k-ish miles, reliable engine, starts first time, runs really well, new clutch in past 2 years, new alternator in past year, new brakes at 108k miles. New battery, new window wiper motor. Reconditioned gearbox, oil pressure switch, par belt and well.New at 99k miles. New tires, 12V electric for off-grid camping, mains electric plug-in, 4 seatbelts, rock and roll bed, 2 cupboards and worktop inside, brand new bonnet bra.